Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 23 Guthrie Road in beautiful Christies Beach. I've got the perfect downsizer property. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, beautiful open plan living, gorgeous natural light and the perfect courtyard at the back. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? There you have it. This is a fantastic property. Properties like this that are single story and easy care are really tough to find close to the beach. And this one is spectacular, having the 2nd bathroom, the great courtyard and beautiful natural light. You're close to the beach, you're close to Colonnade Shopping Centre, close to public transport. It really does suit someone who's starting out or looking to downsize their lifestyle. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.